If you've recently encountered security checks on your YouTube account and need to restore full access, follow these steps to regain control. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Verify your identity. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Check your email. Look for an email from YouTube regarding the security check. This email may contain important information or instructions on how to proceed. Follow any links provided to initiate the recovery process. Step 3. Update security settings. Once logged in, go to your account settings and review your security settings. Ensure that your recovery email and phone number are up to date. This will help prevent future access issues. Step 4. Complete additional security checks. You may be required to complete additional security checks, such as answering security questions or entering a verification code sent to your registered phone number. Follow the prompts to complete these checks. Step 5. Contact YouTube support. If you are still unable to regain full access after completing the above steps, visit the YouTube Help Center and submit a request for assistance. Provide as much detail as possible about your issue to expedite the process. By following these steps, you should be able to restore full access to your YouTube account. If problems persist, keep an eye on your email for further instructions from YouTube support.